2018. November 2018. Right, so you also try this. Use the steps that we talked about here. First, isolate, then square both sides, then select 1 is equals to 2 minus x. You can pause the video and then you work it out, and then we see what you can get. Assuming that you have paused the video and you have calculated this one, so let's just see, move on. I said isolate this. We could have just squared both sides. It's very possible, but I just sticking to that formula, and we are going to have to divide both sides by -1, and we are going to have root of 2x minus 1 is equal to, here, if you are dividing a minus b by -1, the answer becomes b minus a. If I am dividing x minus y by -1, the answer becomes y minus x. If I'm dividing 5 minus m by -1, the answer becomes m minus 5, right? So here, when we divided, we just get x minus 2. Correct. Now, what do? We square both sides. Let's do that. That's our second step. After that, we square both sides, right? So let's go. Square and square. What are we going to get here? We are going to get this one is going to cancel with this one. So we are going to be left with 2x minus 1. The square root is gone because of that. But the right-hand side, this 2, it has to expand this one. That's x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then we take this to the other side. We are left with the 0 this side. And we have x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 4. Where is minus 2x coming from? This one is towards positive, but when it crosses this one, it becomes negative. Then -1 comes to be positive 1. So let's start by writing this side. We have x squared minus 4x minus 2x. We get minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we can solve by either quadratic equation or by just factorizing the way I am doing right now. Yes. And then it's either from here, you can get that x is equal to positive 5 or x is equals to positive 1. Then try substituting this into the original equation like what we said, and then we have what would we have? If we plug in 5, we have 2 times 5, which is 10 minus 9. Square root of 9 is 3. How about if you put it to the right side? 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is going to be the same. How about x is equals to 1? If we put 1 here, we are going to have 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. So square root of 1 is 1, right? But if I put it here, 1 minus 2 is going to be -1. So this one is not correct. So that's the final part of the answer. All right, let's look at the last one, which is this part. First thing, what do? We had said that we need to isolate. Isolate by taking this to the other side. That's square root of 5 minus x is equals to 1 plus x. This x has to go to the other side and then square both sides, because now it's isolated. When it is isolated, we square both sides. And when we are squaring both sides, we don't square some parts, we square everything. So this one and this one will cancel out, and we have 5 minus x is equal to 1 squared plus 2x plus x squared. Yes, expansion of brackets. And then we have 0 is equal to, we are taking everything to the other side. 1 plus 2x, this one comes there, it becomes plus what? Plus x. And this one plus x squared. and then minus 5. Let's start with this side. X squared first, plus 3x. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 is equals to 0. You find out that we have x plus 4, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it's either this bracket is equal to 0 will give us x is equal to negative 4, or x is equal to positive 1. So look at this. If we plug in negative 4 here, square root of 9 minus 4, the answer is not going to be equal to 1. So this one is wrong, but the other one is correct,